Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular coffee accessories, the Moka Espresso Maker and Bialetti spare parts. If you're a coffee lover, this is a video you don't want to miss. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now let's get started. The Moka Espresso Maker stands out as the original stovetop espresso maker. Made in Italy, it exudes quality craftsmanship with a unique shape and iconic gentleman logo. On the other hand, the Bialetti spare parts are designed specifically for Bialetti coffee makers, guaranteeing their perfect operation over time. These spare parts include 3 seals and an aluminum plate. When it comes to compatibility, the Moka Espresso Maker can be used on gas, electric, and induction stovetops with the Bialetti induction adapter plate. It offers different sizes to cater to your coffee needs. On the other hand, the Bialetti spare parts are compatible with various models of Bialetti 3/4 cup coffee makers, including the Moka Express, Fiammetta, Break, Happy, Dama, Moka Melody, Alpina, Moka Timer, and Rainbow. When it comes to cleaning, it's important to note that the Moka Espresso Maker should only be rinsed with clean water after use. Using detergents or dishwasher can damage the product and alter the taste of your coffee. On the other hand, the Bialetti spare parts are easy to maintain, ensuring your Bialetti coffee maker functions optimally over time. And there you have it. We've compared the Moka Espresso Maker and Bialetti spare parts in terms of quality, compatibility, and maintenance. Both products have their own unique features that cater to different coffee enthusiasts. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.